Electrification. The way of consuming energy is rapidly changing. Electric vehicles, AI, and data centers. The high-tech industries now demand faster and more reliable energy transmission. Connect the future of power. Complete the power of the future. The global leader in the age of electrification. As the era of carbon neutrality unfolds, the expansion of the power grid has reached into the ocean. Submarine cables have therefore become essential to ultra-long distance transmission and cross-border power links. Driven by growing global investment in offshore power infrastructure, Cable&System leads the HVDC submarine cable market with the world's largest submarine cable plant and multiple global production bases. Cable&System delivers a full end-to-end value chain supported by 525 kilovolt DC submarine cable mass production capability and a world-class high-rise VCV tower. Our advanced submarine cable technologies enhance durability and enable ultra-long distance transmission and offshore wind projects. Cable&System turns previously unimaginable pathways into reality together with customers around the world. AI is transforming industries and civilization. As a result, reliable and resilient power systems have become essential for the stable operation of large-scale data centers. Capable of covering all sections from product design to monitoring, Cable&System offers a data center solution including superconducting cables, Busducts, distribution, and communication cables. We also provide customization tailored to the needs of global big tech. In an era of rapidly expanding AI, Cable&System completes the power grid that drives the data world. Cable&System not only offers customized solutions to the AI industry, but it also provides cable solutions optimized for various industrial sites and continues to innovate in the material field that is the basis of the industry. We put technology and responsibility into every cable we make. The future starts with power, and power competitiveness defines future competitiveness. Connect the future of power. Complete the power of the future. The global leader in the age of electrification. Cable&System.